Are you looking for the best steam showers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best steam showers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Delta SimpleSteam 10 kW Steam Kit. The Delta SimpleSteam Kit offers a comprehensive steam shower experience with its included generator, digital control, and steam head. The compact generator can fit into various spaces like a vanity or closet, making installation convenient for you. With multiple power options from 4 to 15 kilowatts, you can select a size that meets your specific needs. The package includes a 35-foot cable, allowing flexible placement of the generator. Additionally, you can purchase a recommended generator pan and auto drain separately to enhance your steam system's functionality. What we like: compact installation options, multiple power sizes available, flexible cable length, complete steam system included. Number 2. Kohler Invigoration Series 11 kW Shower Generator. The Kohler 11 kW shower generator offers a luxurious steam experience right in your home. With its insulated stainless steel construction, it resists corrosion and tarnishing, ensuring durability. Thanks to its fast response technology, you can enjoy steam in just 60 seconds, making it perfect for quick relaxation. The one-touch automatic cleaning feature simplifies maintenance, allowing you to enjoy a clean environment without hassle. Additionally, it maintains a consistent temperature, providing a comfortable and soothing atmosphere every time you use it. What we like: fast steam generation, durable stainless steel, easy automatic cleaning, consistent temperature control. Number 3. VEVOR 15 kW Steam Shower Generator. The VEVOR Steam Shower Generator is designed to enhance your home spa experience with its advanced features. You can easily customize the temperature between 77 degrees Fahrenheit and 131 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to create the perfect steam environment for relaxation. The built-in automatic drainage system ensures cleanliness and convenience, while the smart touch controls make operation effortless. Additionally, safety is prioritized with features that protect against overheating, water shortages, and overpressure, giving you peace of mind during your steam sessions. What we like: customizable temperature settings, automatic drainage system, smart touch controls. Safety features included. Number 4. SteamSpa Executive 12 kW Steam Generator. The SteamSpa 12 kW generator transforms your home into a personal spa. With its quick start technology, you can enjoy soothing steam in just about a minute, eliminating long waits before you relax. Its dual-tank design guarantees an uninterrupted flow of steam, ensuring a consistently calming atmosphere. The built-in auto-drain feature keeps the steam clean and refreshing, enhancing your overall experience. This generator also operates quietly, allowing you to unwind in peace without distractions. What we like: rapid steam generation, continuous steam output, clean steam with auto-drain, whisper quiet operation. Number 5. CGOLDENWALL 9 kW Steam Generator. The CGOLDENWALL 9 kW Steam Bath is a perfect steam generator for your shower experience. With its cleverly designed dual-tank technology, it quickly produces a consistent flow of soft and smooth steam while minimizing operational noises. The intelligent touch controller allows you to easily adjust the temperature and working time to your liking, ensuring years of high-quality steam in your bathroom. The compact design makes it easy to install in small spaces, and the auto-drainage function eliminates the need for manual drainage. Not only does it steam quickly and warm up fast, but it also has an LED display for heating and automatic diagnostics. With CE and ISO 9001:2000 certification, this steam generator is safe and reliable, providing water shortage and overheat protection. Experience the convenience and benefits of the CGOLDENWALL 9 kW Steam Bath for your home spa. What we like: perfect steam experience, intelligent touch controller, easy installation and use,